You join us today on a wildlife trip. We're going to be getting kingfishers, hopefully.
4K video.
Yes, it's a good idea. Try and take some 4K video.
The Kingfisher.
Of the Kingfisher.
We can get to it. Kingfisher is one of our favourite birds.
Shooting from a hide, because we know, having been here before, that it comes to the hide a lot. So it's just the old patient waiting game. I'm shooting with the 2-500 zoom lens. Gemma, what are you shooting with?
Oh, I haven't decided yet. It depends. What I'm going to watch it come in. I'm going to either be doing a 150-600 Sigma, or I might, depending on the light, I might go to my Tamron.
Yeah, because the light's quite good today, so I don't think light is going to be an issue, is it?
No, I know, but I want to get some, or try for some Kingfisher shots in flight, and if I'm successful...
Good luck with that.
Well, okay, well, I'm not necessarily going to, but...
That's the challenge for the day.
But then I'm going to need an F4, because I'm going to need to whack up the shutter speed to at least 2,000 a second, 3,000 a second, light depending.
I'm going to be putting the drone up a bit later, but because it's a nature reserve, we have to be careful where we fly the drone. So.
I just saw a flash of blue just over there.
Okay, right. We're gonna. Oh yes, it is. It's there. Right. Wish us luck. Happy?
Massive fish.
That was a massive fish.
The Kingfisher couldn't even eat this roach that it had in its mouth.
Managed to get some 4K video as well. What that will come out like, not 100% sure, because I haven't done much video with the D850. Have you done any video with yours?
Yeah.
Oh, have you?
Yeah.
Didn't know she'd done any video with her.
2 nights ago, I was filming red stags.
Well, was I not in on this trip?
You went to buy it. Sorry.
Obviously not. Okay.
Sometimes I like to go alone.
Yeah, go alone. Yeah, okay. Slip under the radar.
I'll take you there.
We were lucky because...
I'll take you there and we'll film it.
Good idea. We were lucky because we were only here, what, half an hour before that? Very lucky, because I've been here before 6 hours and has visited once. There's a male and a female here. They do breed here.
It's more than one pair.
Yes, there is more than one pair. Wow, what a start to the day.
Yep.
Things will only get better.
We're going to carry on to one of my favourite places to see if I can get a glimpse of a nuthatch.
Ooh.
They're like a small little woodpecker. I love them. And they like shimmy down the back of the tree.
How do they do it?
Shimmy down the back of the tree.
You got a bit of hip movement there.
No, I didn't. I actually tried to keep myself completely still.
Yeah.
Shimmy.
Well done. Yeah, so we're at the stump, which is
it's a
tree stump.
Yes, a piece of dead wood or dead tree that basically in a established woodland area where you get to see nuthatches, robins, dunnocks,
blue tits, great tits. marsh tits and the odd vole or mouse. Which
is that my vole or not? We've got to go. The vole's here. Oh, look at him. I can't get to him.
So we're waiting for the vole or mouse to come out. I've put a right-angled viewfinder on as I'm close to the ground. Just saves your neck from getting a stiff neck. Basically, they're very handy thing to have. Gemma is taking pictures of me for some reason. Why are you taking pictures? She's taking pictures. What? B-roll. Jesus. She's getting too technical. Been doing this for too long.
It's back. It's on there. Just on the ground. Just on there. He's going to get it again. Oh, he's getting it. Oh, I've got to join him. I've got to go. We've just been at the stump. The nuthatch showed really well, it was amazing. And I've just got to find where Rich is. And, well, wrap it up basically. It's been a great day. Found Rich, and it's a wrap, you know. It's the end of the day, end of the trip.
What, crispy bacon and chicken wrap?
If you want one, you can have one.
No, I don't want one. My stomach don't want one. Did you enjoy yourself?
You were with me, yeah.
That's not what. Yeah, no, that's not what I meant. We saw a lot of stuff, didn't we?
Yeah. Well, I got the bankroll / mouse. I'm gonna have to look up on that. Because it's not as big as...
That's a bankroll. That's not a mouse. It's bigger than a mouse, I think it was.
Did you see it?
Only on the back of your camera.
Yeah. Well, you've got to see things
but we
in
got
the
nut
flesh,
hatch,
really.
didn't we?
Did you get to see the bankroll?
No, I didn't.
No?
No, I was too busy looking after you. Made sure you got the shot.
Yeah. Right.
We got
does
the
that suck
nut
a little
hatch.
bit?
We got the... What was that, a marsh tit?
Well, does that suck a little bit?
No, not at all.
No? Okay.
Marsh tit, nut hatch. What else did we get?
Oh, I had a robin with me quite a lot of the time.
But the Kingfisher.
Don't dismiss my robin.
The Kingfisher was good.
Yes, we got 4K shot video. I don't think I can shoot in 4K.
No, you can't.
No.
Because you've got a crop sensor camera.
I got HD video of the Kingfisher. You've got 4K.
So 80s. But yeah.
80s?
It isn't really 2000s, and I don't know when HD was. Anyway, we're getting off the topic. So we're done here now, aren't we?
Yep. The Kingfisher showed really well, both of them, and one of them was calling to the other one.
Mm.
I think I've got a shot of it kind of going to the other one when the other one was flying past.
They were making noises at each other.
Yeah.
The female was having a go at the male, probably as
Yeah.
usual.
As usual.
Yeah.
Was the male going, yes dear, yes dear?
The male was doing all the work. The female was just sitting there, looking pretty.
Interesting. Hopefully the video's worked out nicely and you can have a look and enjoy the 4K footage of the Kingfisher. And we'll see you again soon. Bye for now.
Bye.